The story of N. Take a look at the picture. The picture tells a story. Nicola has always wanted to go fishing with her grandfather. Grandpa has always said, "Oh no, you will make too much noise and scare the fish away. You can come when you are older." But now she's 5. Grandpa has agreed to take her fishing for an afternoon. Grandpa sets up his fishing rod and they settle down to fish. Nicola sits very still and waits very quietly, and it is very peaceful. Suddenly, they hear a very loud and nasty noise. Mm. It's a plane flying overhead. Mm. The plane does a noisy loop-de-loop in the sky above them. And Grandpa doesn't like the nasty noise and puts his hands over his ears. Nicola looks at Grandpa and laughs. "You were worried I would make too much noise." And with a swoop and a swirl, she runs up and down to the bank pretending to be a plane. Mm. Can you see Nicola pretending to be a plane? Hands outstretched and pretending to be a plane, and she's going. Mm. Today we are going to learn the sound of the letter N. Mm. And now we are going to listen to the song.
Hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, making lots of noise.
So now we are going to say some words, and when you hear the sound, you are going to clap 1 time. If you do not hear the sound, do not clap. Are you ready to listen? Great. Neck. Did you clap? Yes. Next word. Nose. Great. Next word. Hand. Did you hear a sound in the word hand? Great going. Now let's try another one. Box. Did you hear a sound in the word box? Oh no, I hope you did not clap. So now we are going to write the letter N. Now the letter N is not a tall letter. It starts somewhere in the middle. So we are going to follow starting on the dot. We go down, back up, around, down with a hook. We need to make some hooks at the end of these letters. So let's do another one. Down, back up, around with a hook. Again, down, back up, oops, around with a hook. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but we can try again to go straight back up. Go down, back up, around with a hook. Let's try another one again. Down, back up, around with a hook. That's the way we write the letter N. Can you remember the sound? Work time. Get your pencils and crayons ready. Get your workbooks. And you are going to do some writing of the letter N, some tracing, and coloring.